If you often feel anxious for no apparent reason, struggle with money problems, lack direction and purpose in life, or have low self-confidence, you may have a blocked root chakra. But don't worry, we can help you restore balance and harmony to this vital energy center. Stay with us to find out how. Welcome to our video series on the chakras. Today, we will focus on the first chakra, also known as the root chakra. This chakra is the foundation of your energy system and influences your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In this video, you will learn what the root chakra means, how it affects you, and how we can heal and balance it. Stay tuned for more. The root chakra, or Muladhara in Sanskrit, is the first of the 7 chakras. It is located at the bottom of the spine and is linked to the color red. The root chakra is the base of our energy system and influences our connection to the earth, our sense of stability, and our survival instincts. It controls our basic needs such as food, shelter, and safety. When the root chakra is in harmony, we feel safe, secure, and confident in facing life's challenges. How to recognize and heal a blocked root chakra? A blocked or imbalanced root chakra can cause various physical, emotional, and psychological issues. Some common symptoms of a root chakra imbalance include anxiety, insecurity, or fearfulness, low energy or drive, chronic tiredness or sluggishness, digestive issues, lower back pain or tightness, feeling detached from your body or environment, financial problems or instability, difficulty feeling safe or secure in your surroundings. To restore balance and harmony to your root chakra, here are some tips you can try. Spend time in nature. Being in nature can help us feel grounded and connected to the earth. Go for a walk in the forest, sit by a stream, or simply enjoy your backyard or a nearby park. Let yourself feel the natural world around you and awaken your senses. Practice yoga. Certain yoga poses, such as mountain pose, tree pose, and warrior one, can help stimulate and balance the root chakra. Include these poses in your daily yoga routine to help enhance your connection to the earth. Use affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that can help change your subconscious mind. Some examples of affirmations for the root chakra are: I am grounded and secure. I trust in the universe to provide for me. I am safe and protected. Say these affirmations daily to help strengthen positive beliefs about yourself and your connection to the earth. Meditate. Meditation is a powerful technique for balancing and healing all the chakras, including the root chakra. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Imagine a red ball of light at the base of your spine and imagine it getting brighter and stronger with each inhale. Let this light fill your whole body with a feeling of grounding and stability. Some of the benefits of first chakra meditation are balancing and calming the mind, easing stress and anxiety, creating feelings of safety and security, increasing physical strength and endurance, improving digestion and elimination, strengthening overall immunity. Let's begin a guided meditation for the first chakra. Sit comfortably either on a cushion or chair. Make sure your spine is erect and your feet are flat on the ground. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine drawing energy from the earth through the base of your spine. And as you breathe out, release any tension or stress from your body. Imagine a red ball of light. Imagine a red ball of light shining brightly at the base of your spine. This is your root chakra, and it represents your connection to the earth. Picture a grounding cord. Imagine a grounding cord going down from the base of your spine deep into the earth. Imagine roots growing out of your cord, holding you to the ground like a tree. Feel the sense of safety and security that comes with being rooted in the earth. Say affirmations. Say affirmations such as, I am grounded and secure, or I trust in the universe to provide for me. Let this affirmation sink in and feel the feeling of being held and supported by the earth. Imagine a warm, glowing light. Imagine a warm, glowing red light flowing up from the earth through your grounding cord and into your root chakra. Feel the vibration of this energy as it travels up through your body, bringing with it a sense of vitality and strength. End with a deep breath. Finally, take a deep breath, then breathe in the red light, which will enter the whole body from lungs. And now release any tension or stress from your body. Imagine yourself standing tall and strong, rooted deep into the earth with a sense of calm and confidence. To sum up, the first chakra is a vital part of our overall health and well-being. By knowing its importance and taking steps to balance and heal it, we can create a deep sense of grounding and security in our lives. Remember to practice spending time in nature. Include yoga in your routine, say affirmations, and meditate regularly to help balance and heal your first chakra. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe us for more videos. Bye!